What if I told you that one strange something so small, so easy to ignore, could be a warning sign your body is silently struggling, and most seniors miss it? It's not chest pain, it's not extreme fatigue, it's not even memory loss. It's something far more subtle, far more dangerous. Today we're talking about a strange sign of vitamin B12 deficiency that many adults over 60 overlook, and why ignoring it could slowly affect your nerves, your brain, your balance, and even your heart. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know. The unusual symptom most doctors don't emphasize enough. Why B12 deficiency is extremely common after 60, who is most at risk, and what simple steps could protect your brain and mobility. Let's begin section 1. Why vitamin B12 matters more after 60. Vitamin B12 isn't just another vitamin. It's essential for nerve protection, red blood cell production, DNA synthesis, brain function, energy metabolism. Without enough B12, your nerves begin to malfunction. And here's the problem. After age 60, your body absorbs B12 less efficiently. Why? Because stomach acid naturally decreases with age. And B12 from food needs stomach acid to be properly separated and absorbed. According to the National Institutes of Health, up to 20% of adults over 60 may have low or borderline B12 levels. That's 1 in 5 seniors. Yet many never realize it. Section 2. The strange symptom most seniors ignore. Now here's the strange sign. A burning sensation in the feet, or sometimes tingling in the toes, a pins and needles feeling. Mild numbness, feeling like you're walking on cotton, strange crawling sensations. Many seniors assume it's just aging, it's poor circulation, it's diabetes, it's normal. But often, it's early nerve damage caused by B12 deficiency. And this type of nerve damage is called peripheral neuropathy. When B12 levels drop, the protective covering around your nerves called myelin begins to deteriorate. And when that happens, your nerve signals become distorted. That burning feeling, that numbness, that instability, it may be your nerves quietly crying for help. Section 3. Why this symptom is so dangerous. Here's why this matters. If B12 deficiency continues long enough, nerve damage can become permanent. Yes, permanent. This isn't just about tingling. Untreated deficiency may lead to poor balance, increased fall risk, memory problems, mood changes, depression, confusion, difficulty walking, even dementia-like symptoms. In fact, studies published in the Mayo Clinic research summaries have shown that severe B12 deficiency can mimic Alzheimer's symptoms, and the scariest part, it can develop slowly over years. Section 4. Other strange signs seniors often miss. Let's go deeper. Beyond tingling feet, there are other subtle signs. 1. A smooth red tongue. Yes, your tongue can change. B12 deficiency can cause glossitis, making the tongue red, swollen, smooth, painful. Some seniors notice food tastes different. Others feel burning in their mouth. They assume it's dental issues, but it can be a vitamin deficiency. Number 2. Mood changes without explanation. Feeling irritable, anxious, down for no reason. B12 plays a role in serotonin production, your mood-regulating chemical. Low levels can quietly impact emotional stability. 3. Vision changes. B12 deficiency can damage the optic nerve in severe cases. Blurry vision that doesn't fully improve with glasses, it could be nerve-related. 4. Pale or slightly yellow skin. B12 helps produce healthy red blood cells. When deficient, cells become abnormally large and inefficient, a condition called megaloblastic anemia. This can cause fatigue, pale skin, slight yellow tint. Section 5. Why seniors are especially at risk. Now let's talk about risk factors. After 60, your stomach produces less intrinsic factor, a protein needed to absorb B12. Other risk factors include long-term use of acid reflux medications, use of metformin for diabetes, vegetarian or vegan diet, digestive disorders, gastric surgery. The Cleveland Clinic reports that certain medications can significantly reduce B12 absorption over time. And here's something many seniors don't know. Even if you eat meat regularly, you can still be deficient because it's not about intake, it's about absorption. Section 6. The memory connection. This is critical. B12 is vital for brain protection. Low levels are associated with brain shrinkage, cognitive decline, increased homocysteine linked to heart disease and stroke. Some neurologists now routinely test B12 in patients with memory concerns. Why? Because correcting deficiency early may prevent worsening cognitive symptoms. Imagine thinking you're losing your mind when your body simply needs a nutrient. Section 7. The full risk. Nobody talks about balance. Depends on healthy nerve signals between your feet and brain. If your feet feel numb or unstable, your brain loses feedback about where your body is in space. That increases fall risk. And falls are one of the leading causes of injury-related death in adults over 65. Sometimes the root cause isn't weak muscles, it's silent nerve damage from low B12. Section 8. How is B12 deficiency diagnosed? Simple blood test. But here's something important. Normal lab ranges may not always reflect optimal levels. Some experts believe neurological symptoms can appear even in low normal ranges. If you're experiencing tingling, numbness, balance issues, or unexplained fatigue, ask your doctor about checking. Serum B12, methylmalonic acid, MMA, homocysteine. These provide deeper insight. Section 9. Best food sources of vitamin B12. B12 is found mainly in animal products: beef, liver, salmon, tuna, eggs, milk, yogurt. Fortified cereals may contain B12 as well. But remember, if absorption is impaired, food alone may not correct deficiency. Section 10. Supplements versus injections. Many seniors benefit from oral B12 supplements, sublingual, under the tongue, tablets, or in severe cases, B12 injections. Injections bypass the digestive system completely, and they can rapidly improve symptoms in people with significant deficiency. But supplementation should always be guided by a healthcare provider. Section 11. How long until you feel better? Some symptoms improve within weeks. Energy levels may rise quickly, but nerve damage recovery can take months. And if deficiency has lasted years, some nerve damage may not fully reverse. That's why early detection is critical. Section 12. When to take this seriously. If you're over 60 and experiencing burning feet, tingling hands, memory fog, mood swings, balance issues, unusual fatigue, do not ignore it. It might not be just aging. It might be something correctable. Section 13. The big takeaway. The strange sign most seniors miss. Burning, tingling, or numbness in the feet. It may look small, but it could be your nervous system's early distress signal. And the good news? Vitamin B12 deficiency is often highly treatable. Catching it early could protect your independence, your mobility, your memory, your confidence. Final thoughts. Aging doesn't mean accepting unexplained symptoms. Your body communicates in whispers before it screams. Listen to the whispers. If this video helped you, share it with someone over 60, because sometimes one small piece of knowledge can prevent years of silent damage. And remember, staying strong after 60 isn't about luck, it's about awareness. Stay informed, stay proactive, and keep taking care of the body that's carried you this far.